On the international side, Chairman Camp delivered what a lot of companies have been asking for a long time, which is a territorial system. It comes with base erosion provisions, which have been controversial, but they seem inevitable, don't they?
I think that Chairman Camp's base broadening provisions, especially on the international side, are likely to be a feature of any tax reform proposal that is likely to be enacted in the near future. It is not surprising that they're controversial. Tax reform is going to be a controversial process. You can't touch every provision of the tax code and not anger somebody. I think that's just something that those that are interested in tax reform have to come to accept, which that is a part of the process.
So the bill has a big difference between the top rate that applies to corporations and the top rate that would apply to small businesses or closely held businesses where the tax is paid at the individual level. Do you think that Chairman Camp got the two numbers close enough to ameliorate some of those concerns?
I do think that there is an economic case to be made that the two rates ought to be different, that they shouldn't be the same. Whether the rates are close enough at 35 on the individual side and 25 on the corporate side is not really an economic question, it's a political question. If members of Congress believe that those two rates are close enough, then they'll be close enough. If they don't believe it, then no matter what the economics say, the numbers will have to change further.
How do you think companies can best play into this debate?
I think companies are well advised in reaction to the Camp proposal and the Baucus drafts to stay engaged. I have previously described to others to ignore this process at this stage, I think would be legislative malpractice. These are proposals that are likely to be the basis of tax reform going forward, and so it's important to get it right now. And if you're a company with an interest at play, it's really important while the committees are listening, while they're engaged, while they're interested, to go in and talk to them, state your case, explain why your views are valid, and make an effort to get it done correctly in the base text so that if a future chairman is picking up a draft that Chairman Camp has left behind or Chairman Baucus has left behind, that they are looking at something that more accurately reflects what you think the world should look like.